Sorry about the slight cut off at the end of the last video. I ran out of time because I didn't know my CSS declarations well enough. Anyway, list style type none, and you can see it's taken off the items here. Now you can see there's also quite a lot of margin there, so I'm going to say margin left 0 px, like that. And let's save that, and if I refresh that, you can see it's got rid of some of it, and then I'm going to say padding left 0 px and save that. And okay, so there's something else in there, so I'll have to find out exactly what that is and then take that out as well. But we can see it's already starting to look like a menu. Now, one of the things that makes it look not like a menu is that it's got these underlines underneath it. So we can use a thing called pseudo classes to get rid of those. So if I say div.menu A, so select all of the anchors or links inside the menu. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say text decoration none, just like that. And if I save that, refresh it, we can see that it takes away these items here. So it's got no underline on any of them. I'm then going to get them to, instead of displaying just as text, to display as a block like this, and let's get them to display in a slightly different colour, maybe green, why not, seeing as we're going for multicolour. So background colour green, and let's put in a margin of 1px, like that. Let's have a look at what that looks like. So you can see it's now almost like different buttons in the menu. What we want to do is make sure that they light up when we roll over them. So for this we use our pseudo class, so we say div.menu A colon hover. So this will only get applied when the mouse is hovering over it. Background colour yellow, and let's have colour green, just like that. And if I save that, then hopefully when we refresh the page, I hit the wrong key there, so save that and then refresh the page. Now when we come over the menu items, it lights up just like we would want it to with a menu. So we're starting to create the space here for having our menu. This over here, I'm not quite sure of what it is, so what I do is I press F12 and it will bring up the developer tools, just like we did before. And I can see by clicking on the select an element in the page that actually this here is part of the UL. So if I add in div.menu UL like that, then I should be able to tell that to have no margin and no padding, like that, and save it. And hopefully when I refresh the page, you can see that that's in fact worked, and we have now our straight menu. So you just need to work things out bit by bit.